Welcome to Learn to Speak Chinese. Have you ever struggled to remember the names of the Western zodiac signs? Trust me, you're not alone. Memorizing them can be quite a challenge, but here is an interesting idea. What if I told you that learning the Chinese names of these constellations might actually be easier? In Chinese, many of the zodiac signs have names that are everyday words commonly used in the language. Think about it. Instead of trying to remember complex names, you can associate the zodiac signs with simple, familiar words. Isn't that convenient? That is why I've created this lesson to help you learn the Chinese names of the zodiac signs and also introduce you to commonly used Chinese words along the way. By the end of this lesson, not only will you be able to impress your friends with your knowledge of the Chinese names for the zodiac signs, but you will also expand your Chinese vocabulary. So let's get started and make the most of this exciting opportunity to learn and to explore the Chinese language together. In Chinese, the term for constellation is 星座. 星 represents star and refers to the celestial objects that dot our night sky. 座 has a broader meaning of seat or place in everyday Chinese. The choice of using 星座 to represent constellations in Chinese may reflect the idea that these star formations are like celestial seats or designated places in the vast expanse of the universe. It highlights the notion that each constellation holds significance and occupies its unique position in the cosmic realm. Here is an example of how to ask someone about their zodiac sign. 你是什么星座? What is your zodiac sign? 我是狮子座 I'm a Leo. Now let's begin our journey to learn Chinese names of each zodiac sign. The first one is Aries. The Chinese name for the zodiac sign Aries is 白羊座. Bai refers to the color white. Yang is a general term for all animals in the sheep or goat family, such as sheep, goats, and rams. In Chinese, there are specific terms for each kind of animal, and the word yang is typically combined with the specific term to create a more precise name. For instance, 山羊 refers to a goat, 绵羊 refers to a sheep. Taurus is 金牛座. 金 means gold. 牛 is a versatile term in Chinese that encompasses different types of cattle, such as cows and oxen. When used on its own, 牛 represents the general concept of cattle. However, when combined with specific terms, it can create more precise names to describe different types or characteristics of cattle. For instance, 水牛 refers to water buffalo, and 奶牛 specifically refers to dairy cows. This combination allows for more specific identification and understanding of different types of cattle within the Chinese language. In Chinese, Gemini is represented by the term 双子座. 双 means twin or double, and 子 generally refers to offspring, child, or son. In modern Chinese language usage, there is a preference for two character words over single character words. For instance, 双胞胎 means twins, 孩子 means child, and 儿子 means son. The choice is driven by several factors. Firstly, two character words allow for clearer and more precise expression of meanings. They provide a better understanding of concepts and facilitate effective communication. Secondly, the use of two-character words allows for a broader vocabulary, as more combinations can be created to express various ideas. Thirdly, the syllable structure in Chinese is often constructed with two characters, which maintains a consistent rhythm and the flow in speech. Additionally, two-character words offer linguistic efficiency by conveying more information in concise manner. Lastly, the preference for two-character words aligns with cultural traditions and norms in the Chinese language, while single-character words still have their significance. The prevalence of two-character words in modern Chinese enhances clarity, vocabulary diversity, and effective communication. 巨蟹座 Cancer is 巨蟹座 in Chinese. 巨 means huge or giant. 蟹 means crab. When referring specifically to the animal itself, we use the term 螃蟹 in Chinese. In daily life Chinese, if we want to emphasize the size, we can use the term 大螃蟹, which means big crab. 狮子座 Leo is known in Chinese as 狮子座, which translates to lion sign or lion constellation. 狮子 means lion. 处女座 处女座 is a Chinese name for the astrological sign Virgo. 处 means virgin. 女 means woman or female. The term 处女 specifically refers to a virgin woman. 处男 refers to a virgin man. 天秤座 Libra is 天秤座. 天 means sky or heaven. 秤 refers to a balance or scale. 天蝎座 is a Chinese name for the astrological sign Scorpio. 天 means sky or heaven. 蝎 means scorpion. In everyday Chinese usage, 天空 is used to refer to the sky. 蝎子 specifically denotes the animal scorpion. 射手座, also commonly known as 人马座, is the Chinese name for the astrology sign Sagittarius. The reason for having two terms, 射手座 and 人马座, is because of the different cultural backgrounds and translations. 射手座 directly translates to anchor sign or anchor constellation, referring to the symbol of Sagittarius as an anchor. 人马座, on the other hand, emphasizes the central aspect of Sagittarius, using the term 人马 to describe the combination of human and horse. Both terms are commonly used in Chinese culture to refer to Sagittarius, providing different perspectives and interpretations of the constellation symbol and mythology. 摩羯座 is a Chinese name for Capricorn. Mo is derived from the Sanskrit word makara, which represents a mythological sea creature. In Hindu mythology, the creature is often depicted as a half-fish and half-animal being and holds significant symbolism. The term mo was adopted in Chinese. 羯 means goat, and specifically a castrated male goat. Together, the combination of mo and 羯 forms 摩羯, which represents Capricorn in Chinese astrology. 水瓶座 is a Chinese name for Aquarius. The term shui means water, ping represents a jar or bottle. When combined, they form the word shui ping, which directly translates to water jar or water bottle. 双鱼座 is a Chinese name for Pisces. 双 means double or twin. 鱼 translates to fish. Congratulations on completing this lesson on learning the Chinese names of the zodiac signs. You have taken an important step towards expanding your cultural knowledge and language skills. I hope this lesson has not only helped you remember the Chinese names of zodiac signs, but has also sparked your curiosity to further explore the rich linguistic and cultural heritage of China. Thank you for joining us in this lesson, and I wish you success in your language learning endeavors. Happy learning!